2007 Audi S8. The V10, 450 horsepower, 5.2 liter motor. We just straight piped it. Sorry for that. We just straight piped it. Let's check it out. Take out this little midsection right here. Falling back, the resonators right here. And the mufflers right here. Chop those off, ran 2.5-inch piping, hit them with the quad black, matte black tips right there. Those are the old mufflers right there on the floor. Guys, like I always say, yo, maybe you want to throw those mufflers. I mean, this is an 07, you're not going to return the car, it's probably paid off, but if you ever want, you keep the mufflers, throw them in the trunk, and then you get them re-welded on. If it's a newer car, that way when you bring it back, if it's a lease or whatever, they don't give you any problems. And you still get the noise you want. So we're going to bring it down and let you guys listen to it.